very happy with. I have Apple, ticker symbol AAPL. And currently the cost is $623.78 for my position. And that's relevant because I made $650 in profit, realized profit off of Apple already from the 15 shares that I had. And I was talking about it and I was telling, myself in my basement that I was going to buy anytime it was 210 or below. That was the only thing I was going to buy, or minimum, I was going to pick up some Apple. And it was below 200 at that point, and the pessimism was very strong with Apple. Nobody wanted to touch it. There was belief there could never be growth in it anymore. There was political pressure. There were all these negative things and reasons why you shouldn't own it. And I ended up buying it because I thought there were a lot of premiums that needed to be there. I had done a full valuation video on it and kind of talked about it. I thought that maybe there could be a product that Apple could unveil in the future that could really boost everything. But it really started when Tim Cook kind of did the interview at the White House, and the political kind of question that Apple had within the regards to its supply chain kind of got answered. That really kind of made everything else go very well for Apple. So Apple continued to grow and continue to grow and continue to grow. And what I did was I sold my shares for that profit, and I kept these 3 shares, which are under that value. So, no matter what, I'm going to have a profit on Apple. And I can just keep these 3 shares and they can pay me for the rest of my life. And if I need some money, I can sell them. And if I don't, they can just keep paying me very small dividends. But eventually that dividend will grow and grow. And eventually the shares will continue to grow and grow. And, they'll split into more shares. And eventually that Apple position will probably be worth a lot more money. So I'm just going to keep that there. I'm going to like to think about if I had the other, 12 shares there, how much it would be worth. But I'm very happy with its performance, and I'm just going to let it continue to sit there and just see what it does. Next up, too, I